cops are coming to your door real soon. You'll fucking learn.
I want to be with my sugar bug.
You're not going to be with me ever again, man. I've told you. No?
I want to be with my sugar bug, not a cop calling liar.
Well, that's too bad. I don't care. I have to do what I have to do to make you stay away from me. You are not driving me mental anymore.
Not trying driving mental. You drive yourself mental because you're a liar.
I don't want to be around a mental person. And
I'm not mental, but you are because you're a liar.
Go get help for yourself.
You need to go get help first. Stop lying.
I'm gone. Goodbye.